with an automatic transmission. This coupe, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Dodge features keyless entry, powered door locks, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows and power seat. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.